Good morning mga idol. Happy Sunday sa ating lahat. I hope everyone is doing well. So, medyo may mga updates lang tayo for this Sunday. First na pinaka-update was as you can see, namumula-mula na yung ating crossbow. And that's thanks to Boss Idol Jibril. Alright? So, di ko na i-mention kung how much, but yeah, that's it. Doon napunta yung reward na nakuha natin from the next market na yung premyo. Alright? So, ito yung crossbow. Pakita natin. Yan siya. Plus 10 na AQ, crit, and attack speed. Alright. So, again, this would not be possible if wala kay Boss Jibril. So, thank you kayo, bye. Thank you, dagang salamat kayo. Kaigit yun yung mga monster lagi, maratratan, anay lagi. Alright. So, next na naman is meron tayong na-loot. As you can see, Service, Sword, and Shield. Nabiyayaan na naman tayo ng loot. And a couple of, 3 other epics for the past 24 hours. Parang hindi naman nag-increase yung drop rate, but I'm happy na nakaloot ako ng ano. Kasi for 24 hours, apat na epic lang yung nakuha ko. Yeah, so this time is babawi na tayo. What do you mean by that? Magma-money making na naman ako. So much for the update about the crossbow, and then nakalut tayo. So other than that, wala nothing special about the video na. So you can just go along with your day. Yun lang. And the goal is to farm more materials for this one. And since nabiyayaan tayo ng legend na avatar, and then nabiyayaan pa tayo ng plus 10 na crossbow with the perfect stats, yung mga alt ko kaya ko nang i-work para makuha yung it's gonna be easier for them to get the rewards dito, especially itong item na pang decrease. Ito talaga yung mahirap ma-achieve. Ito din, syempre, these are materials na that would cost around 100 plus pesos. So, for transparency purposes, as of now, butaw talaga. Walang laman yung 0.86 USDT. But, okay lang. Happy tayo. I'm more than happy. So, i-check natin yung Sword and Shield kung ano yan? Service, Sword and Shield. So, i-check muna natin yung Service, Sword and Shield kung how much yung not appraised. Service, Sword and Shield na not appraised. The cheapest is 1,100. That's 18 USDT. Now, how about the appraised one? Hindi naman kasi pala hindi pala malayo yung price. So from 1,1 sa not appraised, edi alam na, tayo ay susugal, di ba? Tayo ay susugal. So, we are going to appraise this Sword and Shield. Alright. Kahit attack speed lang. Pwede na. Yeah, pwede na. Why? Kasi si Bartes ko, So I'm gonna keep this si Bartis is crit hit damage. And this Sword and Shield is also crit hit damage with mana recovery pa. So okay ako dito. I'm gonna keep this, and naku, pag nag plus 8 pa yan, hindi, wala na. Alright. So I'm gonna keep this. Walang pang refine. Merong dalawa. Ito, try natin. Wala. Wala. It's okay. Yeah, so I'm keeping this one. Or I can even sell this one muna while waiting. Alright? So that's it for this one, but I'm just gonna continue with the video. So at this point of the video ay magma-money making na ako. Okay? So kung paano na ako mag-earn back. So yung mga naipon natin na rare items, meron tayong ibang gagawin. Hindi lahat, kasi nga alam nyo naman na hindi na ganun kataas yung drop rate. So pinipili ko yung mga items na ibebenta ko and i-dismantle ko. Pinipili ko sila. So what I do, check ko muna. So for this one, Corrupted Fate Knuckles. So 19 siya. Hindi tayo dyan. Ito, 36. So I can sell this for 35. And then this one, sell pa din natin for 35. For this one, Sword, 28. Now, why am I doing this? Kasi wala na halos presyo yung temporal piece. So for swords that would give me diamonds, I might as well sell it as diamond. So anything na higher than mga 19 or 20 ay ibebenta ko talaga. So this one 70, benta natin ng 69. Yan 24, benta natin ng 23. Crossbow. Yan, benta natin. Again, para dun sa mga bored or nagmamadali, I'm not gonna do anything special now, or I'm not gonna say anything special. I'm just gonna go about my day. Document ko lang na ako ay yung sa money making na part, kasi tayo ay we're trying to earn more, kasi nga nasimot yung yung USDT ko, but I'm happy. That's not it. So yun lang yung parang bago sa akin na ginagawa ko ngayon, is hindi lahat ng porke weapon siya ay i-dismantle ko na kaagad, kasi wala nang price yung natin. temporal piece. Meron nga ako, I think meron nga akong 4. Yan, no? May 4 pa ako na di pa nabebenta. Ito yung old ko na plate. So for this one, service cloth pants, ipa-price check ko lang. Yan, for 155 siya. Pero 255 kapag hindi Okay, so ganito gagawin ko is try ko mag-register. Yun, so 26 pesos siya. Pwede na. Bebenta ko siya ng 25. Next, itong Grey Dawn high boots. $31, no? So may price pa siya. So we're gonna sell it for 30 para mabenta kaagad. And then maging pera na kaagad. Marami pa namang buyers and sellers out there. And lastly, yung service high boots. $24. Benta natin ng 23. So for the sword and shield, itry lang muna nating ilagay sa next market. Baka may magka-interest, di ba? Kasi hindi pa tayo magsa-sword and shield. Weapon, sword and shield with crit. Tapos, ano siya? Service. Interesting. Yung price ay nasa 1.5 pa. So 1.5 tayo. Kahit 1.4.
Shadows deep where fate was torn. A crossbow sings neath blood red dawn. From silent hills to ruins blind.
Yeah, so meron na tayong mga bentables. We're hoping na mabenta silang lahat. Alright? So that's it for this video. I'm happy sa update natin ngayon sa progress. Meron na tayong plus 10 na weapon and we're trying to earn more money again. Alright? Happy Sunday sa ating lahat and keep grinding.